guys, welcome back to the channel Twinkles, and today we are going to learn a simple process in Excel called, let me guess. The Concat. So let's start by adding the names. First name, we have the second name and the name all together. Okay, let's start with Harry Mitchell's. Tom Stephens and Katie Robbins. Done. So let's open the process by adding and is equal to concat bracket please. Now let's select Harry and then press the button Control and then select Mitchell's, and then let's close the bracket. Enter. Wow, isn't it cool? But what do we do if we apply the process for tons and tons of them? Well, the idea is that I'll show you. So we can press this button twice and thrice. Yep, we have Tom Stephens, Katie Robbins. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like and subscribe and check out previous videos like this one. Well, let's meet you next time. Bye.